Temptation is everywhere. It's important to empower yourself to resist temptation.
Hey, 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 take a look at this. All the flavor you crave, all the energy you need in one little box of Sugar Zooms.
No thanks.
What about you, champ? You want a big bowl of sugary goodness each and every morning, don't you?
No, thank you.
I can see where you're coming from. Take a look at these double fudge stackers. The perfect snack anytime. And the nutritional information right here, let's just say there's nutritional information right on the box.
That's okay. We have a list.
A list?
Yeah, a grocery list.
Why?
So we don't get sidetracked and end up with a lot of things that we don't need. Like the double fudge stackers.
Need? Who said anything about need? Ideal and want. Don't you want something a little more snazzy?
We want to be healthy.
Healthy? I have just the thing. Look, sports drink. It has sports right on the label. It has to be healthy.
No, this stuff is loaded with sugar, empty carbs, and even caffeine.
So?
Do you have any idea how Sugar Zooms, double fudge stackers, and sports drinks affect our bodies? Everything we choose to eat, everything we choose to do, directly affects our health.
We have to make smart choices. We have to take responsibility for ourselves.
Wait. Have you been reading that Empower thing too?
It's the American College of Endocrinology. They've started a program that helps empower us.
Not empower.
Empower.
It just makes my job so hard.
Don't let temptation take over your dinner plate. Whether you're eating out or cooking at home, good nutrition is more important than ever. An endocrinologist will provide a personal nutrition plan for you and your family. Your Endo knows nutrition. Do you know your endo? Learn more at empoweryourhealth.org.